This video is brought to you by my supporters on Patreon. Hi guys, I'm here with another part of my Star Guardian Ahri worklog, and in this video I'm going over how I made the ears, and at the very end I'll touch on how I made the tiara. So to start off, I had patterned out the ear shapes that I needed and cut that out on white fur, and then I'm taking a mix of acrylic paint and water and using a paintbrush to paint on the more orangey color onto the bottom, like third of the ear. After all of the more orangey color is painted on, I go ahead and mix in some more pink acrylic paint into the mixture and then paint on the next third of the section. And then to finish off this section, or the ears in general, my bad, I mix in some more pink and then paint that onto the rest of the ears. And then I let that dry. Make sure to brush it fairly often when it's drying so that it doesn't dry clumpy. The key is to brush this out a lot. I didn't get much footage of this, but the inside of the ears are two foam sections, and this foam is 4 millimeters thick. And I use a heat gun to shape it. So once the fur is done drying, I start hot gluing that onto the foam. So when I hot glue this, as I go along, I make sure to brush it out just so that none of the fur is getting hot glued down into place and it's going to stay fluffy. I hot glue the middle section first, and then I hot glue the outer section, and that will wrap around to the front to cover the edges of the front, as you can see happening here. And so for the ears, I put this pink band here so that I could put bobby pins and bobby pin it into place. So I didn't get much footage of me making the tiara, but basically all I did was cut out the shape I needed onto 4 millimeter foam. The only footage I have is of me dremeling the edges to smooth it out. After this, I hit it with a heat gun to shape it to my head, and then coat it with wood glue and paint it with a gold spray paint and attach ribbon to the end so that I could tie it in the back. That finishes up this video. I hope you guys still found this helpful. Check out future videos. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day. Bye!